Welcome to class number 4 of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Algebra course, where you are going to continue solving quadratic equations. The second technique for factorising quadratics is using a formula. Not every quadratic can be factorised. Every quadratic equation can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is called a general quadratic. A, b and c are the coefficients. This is the formula for solving quadratics. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Example 1. Solve x squared minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Write your answer in the form a plus or minus root b and check one of your solutions. Write down the coefficients a, b and c. Replace a, b and c in the formula with their values. Everywhere you see a letter in the formula, replace it by a bracket and fill the bracket with the correct number. Work out all the brackets. Tidy up inside the square root sign. You know from the third section that root 12 breaks down to 2 root 3. Divide the 2 into each term above to give 1 plus or minus root 3 as your answer. Leave the answer in third form, as this is what is meant by writing the answer as a plus or minus root b. The solutions are 1 plus root 3 or 1 minus root 3. Check the first solution is correct. Substitute 1 plus root 3 in for x in the quadratic equation. Everywhere you see x, replace it by a bracket and fill the bracket with 1 plus root 3. A bracket squared means you multiply it by itself. Now multiply out brackets term by term. When you add like terms, you get 0, which means that the root or solution satisfies the quadratic equation. Use your calculator to show that you get 0. Example 2. Solve 2x squared plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Write your answer to 2 places of decimal. Write down the coefficients a, b and c. Replace a, b and c in the formula with their values. Everywhere you see a letter in the formula, replace it by a bracket and fill the bracket with the correct number. Write out all the brackets. Tidy up inside the square root sign. Now use your calculator to work these solutions to 2 places of decimal. Do the minus sign first from the plus or minus sign. Now calculate the other root. No need to input everything again. Just press the replay button and delete the minus and replace it with a plus. The other root is 0.22. The solutions, or roots, are minus 2.22 and 0.22. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready, do the exercise worksheet.